Good morning to everyone. Our running chapter name is comparing three-digit numbers. This fourth chapter, comparing three-digit numbers. Today we see some textbook problem, that is page number 36. Everybody open page number 36. Sorry, that is 46. Page number 46. See here, one figure is there. In that figure, our Indian currency is there. First one, look at the note and coin. Say which are of more value and which are of less value. Look at the note and coin. Say which are of more value and which are of less value. One day, Rangamma and Sithamma sold vegetables at the weekly market. They got the following notes and coins shown under their names. Who earned more? Finally, Rangamma earned how much? Sithamma earned how much? Here, two persons are there. They sold vegetables at the weekly market. They got some notes and coins. They shown under their names. Who earned more? First one is Rangamma. Rangamma. And the second person name is Sithamma. Yes. Present money with Rangamma 100, 100, 100, 100. In Sithamma, with Sithamma 100, 100, 100. Next, Rangamma 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. With Sithamma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Coins with Rangamma, only two coins. Coins with Sithamma, only one coin. Yes. Rangamma, present money with Rangamma, 4 400 rupees notes, 5 10 rupees notes, and 2 coins. Present money with Sithamma, 300 rupees notes, 8 10 rupees notes, and only one coin, that is 1 rupee. Here, Rangamma earned Sithamma earned Yes, now the solution. First, present money with Rangamma 100, 100, 100, 100. Here there are 400 rupees notes. 4 into 100, 400. 4 into 100, 400. Next, tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. 50. 5 tens. 50. And coins. 1, 2. Coins. 2 coins. Total 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 5, 5, 4. Total amount with Rangamma 452. Now Sithamma, there are 300 rupees notes. 3 into 100, 300. 100, 200, 300. 10 rupees notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens are 80. Only 1 rupee 10. Only that is 1. 1. Total amount is 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 8, 8, only 3. Total amount is 381 with Sithamma. And in the question, who earned more? Now comparing these two numbers, 452 and 381, which is the bigger amount? Here 400 is there, here 300 is there. The bigger amount is 452. You can write 452 greater than 381. Means Rangamma earned more money. Rangamma earned more money. And more. This is our answer. Rangamma earned more than Sithamma. Why? Because 452 is greater than 381. This is the answer. Now one more question is there, that is in page number 47. Do this work in textbook only. Yes, homework complete it in textbook. Page number 47. Do this problem in your textbook. Now some more questions on ascending order and descending order. Write the following. Write the following in ascending order and descending order. Write the following in ascending and descending order. Question A, 316, 247, 509, 499. First one is ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Given numbers are 316, 247, 509 and 499. These are given numbers. Ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. Here the smallest number is 247. Next one is 316. And the next number is 499. And the final number is 509. This is called ascending order. Next, descending order. Descending order means big to small or reverse process of ascending order. Big to small. Yes. Big to small. Yes. Which is the biggest number from 316, 247, 509 and 499? 509 is the biggest number. 509. Next biggest one 499. And next one 316. And the final one is 247. This is called descending order, big to small, or reverse process of ascending order. Means in ascending order, we write the number from back to front. In ascending order, from back to front. Number is 509. 509. Next one is 499. 499. 316. 316. The last one is 247. 247. That's back to front. Yeah, front to back. Okay, this is the relation between ascending order, descending order. Both are depending on each other with that is reverse process. Ascending order is nothing but reverse process of descending order. Descending order is nothing but reverse process of ascending order. Now, I will give more problems. B1. $918, 237, 516, 423. Right, ascending order and descending order. Now C1. 729, 314, 617, 212. Right, ascending order and descending order. Now question D. 821, 637, 151 or 61 and 375. For this D, write ascending order and descending order. Yes, these are homework D, C, D and E also. 497, 281, 190, 333. For E, right? Ascending order, descending order. F. Seven hundred 563, 660, 857. For this F question, write in ascending order and descending order. Dear students, these are homework in your running notes. Please do B, C, D, E. F for every question, write ascending order, descending order. For C, write ascending order, descending order. For D, write ascending order, descending order. For E, ascending order, descending order. For F also, write ascending order and descending order. This is homework. Do this homework in your running notes. This is chapter from comparing 3-digit numbers. This is the chapter 4. Okay, children. Goodbye to everyone.